Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Learn to invest. First, download the Bloom Learn application from your App Store. Next, create a free account using your email address and a strong password. You will then complete a brief questionnaire about your financial goals and current knowledge level. This helps tailor your learning path, ensuring you receive the most relevant educational content right from the start. Once logged in, you will see your personalized dashboard. Here, you can access a wide range of courses, from understanding basic market principles to advanced portfolio management. Each course is broken down into digestible modules, typically lasting 5 to 10 minutes. You can track your progress easily and revisit any section as often as you need to reinforce your understanding. Bloom Learn features interactive quizzes after each module to solidify your understanding. A key feature is the virtual portfolio, allowing you to practice buying and selling assets with simulated money. This hands-on experience is invaluable, helping you apply theoretical knowledge in a risk-free environment. You can track your virtual investments over time and analyze their performance, gaining practical insights. As you gain confidence with the virtual portfolio, Bloom Learn guides you toward making informed real-world investment decisions. The platform regularly updates its content, ensuring you stay current with market trends and new investment strategies. Remember, consistent learning and disciplined practice are key to successful investing. Bloom Learn empowers you to build a solid financial future, one step at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.